Hello students, welcome once again to our series. So that's the question for today. Okay, so I will definitely say that this is a question which is definitely a very good question. You all would have tried it, and again, as I say, if any one of you got the answer, that's really appreciable. Okay, so let's see how to solve it. See, the method is same. I always say that. See, when you don't when you are not able, when we are not able to apply any standard method to solve a series, then the method is very clear and open, and that is to rewrite the general term as the difference of two consecutive terms. So that was the objective when I was trying to solve this question again and again, and I will accept that it took me it took a long time for me to break it as a difference of two consecutive terms. Okay, so let's write its general term. So here S is nothing but summation when R goes from, I will say, let's see what we'll have. So 1 2 3 4, so that's R into, so when you have R, you have product of two numbers. Like when you have R3, so product of two numbers, R4, product of three numbers. Here we'll be having product of R minus one number. So starting with 1 minus A into 1 minus 2A into 1 minus 3A until, as I said, product of R minus 1 term. So starting with 1 till R minus 1 times A. So that's it. Okay, see, all of a sudden when I was thinking to solve how to solve it, of course R goes from 1 to n terms, no? Yeah. So when I was thinking to solve it, all of a sudden it struck my mind that why not to multiply. See, the problem here was whenever whatever I was trying to use here to break it as a difference of two terms, the problem was that the number of terms in the like as product are also varying, they are also changing. Okay, how to take care of it was the point. Okay, so then what I finally tried was multiply and divide by A. So I will say it just struck my mind all of a sudden. So we will get AR. So 1 minus A into 1 minus 2A. And of course, since A is a constant with respect to the variable of summation, that is R, so we can keep it out in denominator. So now what? So 1 by A, any idea what next we are going to do? See, you have the last term as 1 minus R minus A, and we have RA. Okay, so I will rewrite it as 1 minus RA. So I will take minus sign out, so minus minus plus, and this is minus 1, so I will be, when I write minus 1 here, so everything gets balanced. Okay, into 1 minus A, 1 minus 2A until 1 minus R minus 1A here. Okay, so finally what we get here is, so therefore S is minus 1 by A times. Now let's break it into two terms. One is this into this entire term, and second one is this into this entire term. Okay, so when I rewrite for the first one, we have it as 1 minus A into 1 minus 2A till 1 minus RA, isn't that? Minus, second one is 1 minus A, 1 minus 2A till 1 minus R minus 1A बच्चों, and that's it. Okay, and of course we have summation sign, so we should not forget it. R goes from 1 to n. Now let's try to open it. So S is when R is 1 here. Okay, so let's put the value. So minus 1 by A is outside, so R is 1. So what do we get? 1 minus A, and this is minus R is 1. So this is 0, so minus 1. Okay, that's the first term. Then put R is equal to 2 here. R is equal to 2, so you will have, see, that's the last term. So I'm just looking from here to 1 minus 2A. So I will be having two terms, 1 minus A into 1 minus 2A. And when you put R is equal to 2 here, it's 1 minus A. So you have only one term, and that is 1 minus A. And then let's put one more. Okay, so when you put R is equal to 3, so 1 minus A, R 1 minus 3A, 1 minus 2A, so the last is 1 minus 3A, and here it will be 1 minus A into 1 minus 2A, because you are going till R minus 1 only, and plus dot dot dot. Now see, Are the terms getting cancelled? Answer is of course yes. This got cancelled, this will get cancelled, and so on and so on. And as we know in this such type of question, the pattern says if we are left with one term in the beginning, we'll be left with exactly one term at the last, and if it is with negative sign, the last term will be with positive sign. If we got it by putting r is equal to 1 here, in this term you will get the last term which is positive by putting r is equal to the largest value takes n here. Okay, so the answer is minus 1 by a times the positive one, 1 minus a, 1 minus 2a till 1 minus na. All of you agree, isn't that? Minus 1, and that's it. So that's the answer for this series here. So I will say that was a decently good question as a practice for you people, bachcho.